So what we have here is the Gunbuster from Shokugan modeling project, Alternate Destiny. And you can see here this is such a masterpiece from Bandai, because you can see a lot of panel lines, and this project is actually is kind of like reimagine of the kits, where they re-enhance the design of the kits from the existing. If you compare to the usual actual design, original design of Gunbuster, definitely this one is far more badass than actual Gunbuster. But if you can see the design, even though this pose is very awesome, but you can see something weird here. I wonder how this kit can pose like this. It's basically going through the other arm of. But anyway, regardless for this arm issue, overall I can see that this kit is still a wonderful kit from Shokugan, and this kit comes with few accessories. Actually, it's not much accessory, but you can see there's two hand that is not folded, which is the hand I believe that you can use it to do a lot of actions, and one pair of open arms, open hand, which you can flip here, and two knuckle, which this one cannot float. Okay. Back to here. So if you are a Super Robot fans, definitely this kit is one of the kits you should keep it and you should collect it, because I believe that this kit have a lot of specialties, and regardless of some numbers you can see obviously on this part, because this kit is a lot of parts are pre-paint, so there are some weaknesses here, because some of the parts, maybe when you are pre-paint, then when you cut it off, then you can see some of the paint will be chipped out from the parts. But still, if you look at from a distance, it will not be so obvious. So I really truly recommend, if you can able to find this kit, that you can able to really get this kit from the hobby store, or for any of the hobby partners that you can find. And I can see that overall the colors here is you can see some of the parts is matte, and some of the part, especially on the leg here, is a glossy red. So from this kit you can put various kind of pose to reimagine those posing that you can do in animation, such as the famous Inazuma kick, and also some of the pose that present the awesomeness of this kit. But definitely for sure this kit is not the actual size that you can see, because if you see this kit, it's actually kind of small. Okay, if you see this kit, is compared to MG, this is the MG kit Gundam. It's basically the same size, almost the same size, but the actual size of this Gunbuster actually is very big. It's a huge kit. It's a huge robot, because it's a combination of two battleships, something like that, to form this robot. So definitely, if you want to follow the actual shape or actual size of this robot, definitely very huge. So but nevertheless, this is one of the great kit you can get around in the market for the Super Robot fans. And I think based on here you can see a lot of lines that maybe from here we can do a lot of panel lining, and I think from here you don't need to do any panel line adding or what, but just do some additional color line or this, then it will be good to go. So in terms of articulation, this is the head, the movement, get up. Actually this one is can able to go very high, but actually it's no needed. Then the head can do this, up and down, left, right. And this one, actually you can see, if you want to do this pose, you have to move this part to the front. Actually you can take out on this, just for easy. See, this one can go in, go out. So the hand, you can, but because of this big shoulder, the hand is actually limited, but still movable. The joints are quite tight, and actually it can move. The angle is quite a lot. Put the hand here. Okay. The hand can flow like this, 180 degree. Oops, some parts fall down. And this is movable. And for the waist, okay, front, back, no problem. Left, right, twist, twist. And this is the front skirt, can lift up a bit, so your leg can kick up and you can fold. And can go sideways. And for the leg, for the foot, okay, you can do like this, front, back, dating. Yeah, I think that's all for the articulation. So I think that's all for today, this episode. And from this Gunbuster, it actually also start my new project, which is based on the Super Robot series. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.